my client testimonial for Midwest Solar and Energy. Hello, I'm Steve Hodges, and this is my solar journey. I saw my neighbor's electric bill, and it was only $50. Mine's $380. Here's why. The difference? They invested in solar panels last year, and I didn't. I always thought going solar was complicated and expensive. Turns out I was completely wrong. When I finally looked into it, I discovered Midwest Solar and Energy. They started with a completely free energy audit of my home. No upfront costs, no obligations. They handled everything, from paperwork to permits to finding the best installers. They even secured competitive bids to ensure I got the best deal possible. What really sold me was their 25-year warranty and how they tailored the entire system to my home's specific needs. Now I'm on track to join my neighbor in energy bill freedom. The best part? The system will pay for itself in just a few years. Don't keep throwing money away on high electric bills. See what solar can do for your home today. All right, folks, that's a wrap. And if you've been thinking about making the switch to solar, now is the time. I personally recommend you talk to my friend Rob Rotman over at Midwest Solar and Energy. These guys know their stuff, they're local, and they actually care about doing things right. Whether you're looking to save money, add value to your home, or just get off the roller coaster of rising energy bills, Rob's the guy to talk to. You can reach him directly at 417-766-8165. Again, that's 417-766-8165, or head over to MidwestSolarAndEnergy.com to learn more. No pressure, no gimmicks, just honest answers from someone who lives right here in the Midwest, just like you and me. His links are in the description. Tell him Steve sent you, and trust me, you'll be glad you did. Catch you next time.